Have you heard about Pangolin, the crypto coin? Let's embark on a journey to decipher this unique phenomenon in the world of cryptocurrencies. Pangolin is a decentralized exchange, also known as DEX, that is constructed on the Avalanche blockchain. This prime positioning offers it a distinct advantage over other crypto coins, enabling swift and economical trades. And if you're wondering what makes Pangolin so special, it's the native utility token, PNG. This token is not just another crypto coin, it forms the backbone of the Pangolin ecosystem. It's the driving force that fuels the Pangolin network, making it possible for you to conduct transactions seamlessly. In the vast ocean of cryptocurrencies, Pangolin stands out with its unique attributes, and the PNG token is a shining beacon that guides its path. And now the question on everyone's mind, so you might be wondering, how does Pangolin work? Well, let's dive deeper into that in the next scene. Understanding how Pangolin works is simpler than you might think. Let's break it down. Pangolin is a decentralized exchange, or DEX for short, that operates on the Avalanche network. Now what does that mean? It's like a traditional stock exchange, but it's run by smart contracts on a blockchain, not by a centralized authority. One of the key elements of Pangolin is its liquidity pools. But what are liquidity pools? Well, they're essentially pots of tokens locked in a smart contract. They are used to facilitate trading by providing liquidity. When you want to trade one token for another, you're actually trading with a liquidity pool. The pool contains pairs of tokens, for instance Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, let's talk about trading. With Pangolin, you can trade directly from your wallet. This means you don't need to deposit your tokens into an exchange and wait for approval. You just connect your wallet, choose the tokens you want to swap, and voila! The trade happens instantly. But Pangolin isn't just about trading, it also has its own token, the PNG. This token has two main uses. First, it's a governance token. If you hold PNG tokens, you can vote on proposals to change the system. This could be anything from adjusting fees to adding new trading pairs. The more PNG you hold, the more weight your vote carries. Second, PNG tokens are used for yield farming. If you're unfamiliar with the term, yield farming is a way to earn more cryptocurrency. You provide liquidity to a pool, and in return, you get rewards in the form of PNG tokens. The more liquidity you provide, the more rewards you earn. It's a win-win situation. That's a quick overview of how Pangolin works. It's a unique blend of trading, governance, and yield farming, all wrapped up in a decentralized package. Now that you know how Pangolin works, you might be curious about why it's special. Pangolin stands out in the crowded crypto space with some unique features. Let's dive right in. One of the key aspects that sets Pangolin apart is its integration with Avalanche, a high-performance blockchain ecosystem. This integration allows for fast and affordable transactions, a much-needed feature in the crypto world. But there's more. Pangolin also boasts of a democratic governance system. This means that PNG holders have a say in the project's future direction, making it a truly community-driven initiative. And let's not forget about yield farming. With Pangolin, you can earn PNG tokens through yield farming. This is a process where you stake or lend your crypto assets to earn rewards. It's like putting your money to work for you, only in this case it's your digital currency. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Pangolin? Let's recap what we've learned about Pangolin. This is not your everyday cryptocurrency. Pangolin is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, that operates on the Avalanche network. Its unique position allows for quick, cost-effective transactions, which is a breath of fresh air in a world where transaction fees can often feel like daylight robbery. Pangolin distinguishes itself with a democratic approach to trading. It empowers its users with the ability to propose and vote on changes, creating a sense of community and collective decision-making. Now, isn't that a refreshing take on financial governance? Remember, Pangolin is more than just a coin, it's an entire ecosystem designed to make crypto trading easier and more accessible. Its unique features and user-centric approach place it in a league of its own in the burgeoning world of crypto. With Pangolin, you have the power of fast, cheap, and democratic trading at your fingertips. So, why not give it a try?